welcome back to our channel. Let's solve for x in this question. If you notice here, 8 is a power. 8 can be written as 2 raised to power 3. So I can write this thing as 2 raised to power 3 times x, which is 2 raised to power 3x, okay, plus 2 raised to power x, and everything here is equal to 130. Now, having gotten here, I can see that I have 2 raised to power x and 2 raised to power x. Let me decide to make the 2 raised to power x simpler for me. So I can decide that 2 raised to power x is equal to y. Okay, I can decide that this happens. Now, hence, what I will have here is that y raised to power 3 plus y is equal to 130. Now, this is a place I become technical with how I approach this question. I can easily solve this polynomial the long method, but to make it shorter for me and to save time, I'll simply factor out y, and I have y squared plus 1 remaining in the brackets. Okay, and this is equal to 130. Now, getting to this point, you are seeing that two things are multiplying to give me 130. But then notice something as well. This is y and this is y, so it means that y is equal to y. Okay, now if y is inside this bracket and this is a positive number, if y is inside this bracket, what do you notice first? Positivity of the number makes that y cannot be negative. Okay, the second thing you notice is that y, this total thing inside this bracket has to be greater than what is outside the bracket. Okay, so because y squared is inside the bracket, it has to be greater than what is outside the bracket, which is y. Okay, so now writing out the factors of or multiples of 130 will be 2 and 65, 5 and 26. We have 10 and 13. Okay, and obviously we have 1 and 130, but I don't write that one. Okay, now having this, now let's even scrap this because this might not actually be feasible. Let's try out with these. Since you say that the thing outside the bracket has to be greater than what is inside the bracket, sorry, it has to be less than what is inside the bracket, all right? So it means that y can be 2, 5, or 10. Okay, now we try 2 out. When y is 2, okay, when y is 2, we have 2 into 2 squared is what? 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. And 5 times 2 is not equal to 130. When y is 5, we have 5 into 5 squared plus 1. 5 times 5 into 5 squared is 25 plus 1 is 26. And this is equal to 130. So can you see that we have 26 here and we have 26 here? Hence you can easily conclude that y is equal to 5. And coming back here, we say 2 raised to power x is equal to 5. Is equal to 5, which is y. So we can also come back here and say the same thing, that 2 raised to power x will now be equal to 5. You take logarithm of both sides, so you say log of 2 raised to power x, and log of 2 raised to power x is the same thing as s log of 2. Okay, so we have x log of 2 is equal to log of 5. Hence x is equal to log of 5 over log of 2. And this is the answer to this question.